Hi, how are you? My name is Anjal and I welcome you to this quick and easy tutorial for this beautiful song Bheega Bheega Yeh Sama. Now this entire song has mainly 3 to 4 main lines to learn and you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this, very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start on the second string. The first notes are 1, 3 and 4. Like that. Now you can see I'm using my multiple fingers for them. It's much easier to play it like that. So you have 1, 3, 4. One finger for each of them. Then you have 3, 3, 3 4 times on the first string. Then you have 4, 3. Then you have 4 on the second string and 3 on the first string. All of this very slowly you have. Next, you again have 4, 3, 1 on the first string. So you go. Then you have 3, 1 to the 4 on the second string. Then you again have 1, 4. 1 on the first, 4 on the second. And that takes you to 3, 4 on the second string. This part very slowly. Very good. And then you again have the same 4, 3 that you just played with the pinky and the ring finger on the second string. To the 1. Then you have 3, 1, 1, 1. Like that. So this part. And the same thing repeats again. Very good. All of that very slowly. The first line of the song we have. Very well done. Now all of that repeats again. So we keep going on. The same thing. We go. And we play the start of the line one more time. Very good. And that will take you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this, very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start on the first string. Everything is on the first string. So you play 3rd fret on the first string first. To the 7, 8. So that's the starting of this line. Then you have 10, 7, 8. So that 7, 8 comes a little quick. So you have 10. Very good. Then you have 8, 10, 11. So you want to use your first two fingers for all of that because you want to go up the frets. So we're going to do first finger 8, we go to the 10 with the first finger only, and then the 11. Okay, so you have, then you have 10 to 13, so you're already holding the 10, 13. Then you move your first finger 1 up for the 11, and you do 11, 15, 13, 11, 13, 11. Like that. Then you again do the same thing, 10, 8, 10, 11. So it's kind of repeating again. You have 10, 13, and you end it with 10, 11, 8, 10, 7, 8. Okay, so it's kind of a repetition, a little bit of there, but everything is on the first line. If you just read it, it should be pretty good to go. So this entire line, very slowly, we have. Very well done. That will take you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly, we have. Let's break that down. So we start on the 6th fret 2nd string to the 9th fret 2nd string. And I'm using my first finger for both of them because I want to catch the 11 with my ring finger. Okay, so it kinda, the 9 to 11 goes a little quick. So you have like that. Then you again have 11. Then you have 10, 11 on the first string. Then you have 13, 11. Okay, like 13, then 11, 10. Okay, then you have 7, 8, 10. Then you have 11, 8, 11, 10, 8. Okay, so this part up till here you have. Okay, now you can see the notes are kind of coupled together. So two notes are kind of coming together. So you have 6 alone, 6 alone. Then you have 9 to 11 together. Then you have one more 11. And then 10, 11 is kind of together. Then you have 13 alone. And then 11, 10 again together. Like that. Then you have 7 by itself. Then 10 it together. Okay, similarly 11 and then 10, 8 together. Okay, so it's like those notes are kind of together. You gotta understand how the flow of the song is. You will understand this line a lot better. Next, we kind of have a similar thing. This time, instead of coming from the 6th, you do 8 to the 9 and the rest just repeats. Okay, and this time you just don't do that 11, 10, 8. That's it. Okay, so this entire line, again everything is on the first string, should be easy if you just read it. So this line very slowly goes like. Very good. And that takes you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we have a familiar start. So you do 8, 9 on the second string, then you have 8 on the first string. So you have, and then you do 7, 8, 10. Then you do 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8. Yeah, 8, 7, 8. Okay, and then you go down to the third fret. You do 3, 4, 6, 6, 4, 8. Okay, again everything is on the first line. Very slowly this line goes like, very good. And that brings you to the last line of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Okay, it's a long line, but half of it is just the repetition of the second half of your first line. So we start this again on the first string. You just ended it with, okay, that was the last thing you did. Next you have 3, 4, 6, 6, 4, 3, 1. Very good. Everything is on the first string. Then you have 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1. Everything again on the first string. To the 4 on the second string. Then you have 4 again on the second string. Then you have 1, 3, 3, 1. And then back to 4 on the second string. And the 1 on the first string. Okay, so this part. Okay, and then the song kind of starts to repeat again. So you have, okay, so these are the last notes to learn. You have 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 1. Okay, and then it starts to repeat. Okay, it's super easy. Let's play that all back very slowly. We have. Very good. And that will actually complete this song for you. Now that we are through with that, it's time for you to head into the play along of this song. But in case there are still any doubts, any sections that you feel like you're still struggling with, then I highly suggest you to just go back, re-watch the video, and then come back to this section of the song. But if you're already feeling all good with the song, then let's head right into the play along and see how you do. hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case there are still any doubts, any queries, suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now, if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.